guys, welcome to today's lesson. My name is Tom Fontana from TheGuitarLesson.com, and today's easy riff of the day will be Judas Priest's Breaking the Law. And this song is from 1980, and the intro riff is very, very famous. It actually made this band famous. And it's very simple, so even if you've been playing guitar for one day, you'll be able to learn this. Let's have a look. So you notice that there's a lot of distortion on the guitar. I'm just gonna ease up on that a bit, so you'll be able to make out the notes better. So we'll start out with an open A. Then the middle finger goes to the second fret of the A string. That's followed by the ring finger on the third. And then we'll repeat the sequence twice in rhythm. Alright, so that's pretty much it. It's really easy. Let's do that again. Alright, good job. So the second section of the riff, it'll start out on the first fret of the low E string. Then the third fret of the low E string with your ring finger. And then you'll raise these fingers and you'll pluck the open A string. And this will repeat once more. And then it becomes a bit different, so you'll pluck the third fret of low E. And then the third fret of the A, and all you need to do to get from this note to this note is roll down your ring finger, okay? And then the last note will be the second fret of the A string. So the second section of the riff goes like this. Alright, good job. So let's try it a few more times. Once again. Good, so now let's play the entire riff all together, okay? Now let's play it up to speed, okay? And then you would go into a chord progression, which is actually pretty easy as well. So I'm going to stop right here because this is just a riff for today. But if you want, feel free to find my lesson on this entire song because it's pretty easy to play and it's a great song for beginners who are into the electric guitar. So download the tabs from TheGuitarLesson.com, have fun with it, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Bye.